here we are. We're doing a basement inspection here. I wanted to show you so the old floor joists are Douglas fir floor joist, and what I have here is some old gas line pipes. Look at them old gas line pipes, are all rusted out. I want to talk about the Douglas fir real quick. The Douglas fir is a great joist material. We don't sell much of it because it's so expensive. We use more yellow pine than what we did, but than what we do now. But look at this old gas line. Wow, man, I'm talking serious problems here. Look at that. But city passes it, so you know, for the occupancy, I want to show you this right here. You know how it's rusted out right here on top of the hot water heater. Little corrosion, leakage down here. Come around here. I want to keep on moving through here because I only get X amount of time on my phone recorder. But I wanted to show you here, we have electrical box. See my electrical box up here is open, but now this is what's crazy about this, or dangerous. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but see, that's my gate valve, and it's leaking. It's leaking down here right there by the water. I mean, you could get shocked and killed here. Look here at my stack pipe here. It's really showing some signs of past leakage. Oh, there's just so many infractions happening in here. Look here at my floor joist here. Anytime that you have your floor joist cut out, well, some say 20%, some say 50%. Well, this one's over 50%. There's different municipalities, but you've lost your structural integrity on this one. So we come back in here, and I just want to show you here. We're on the dirt floor in this part of the building, and you can see past stained water stopping through here. Look at the spider webs, the cobwebs, more asbestos. And it's just, wow, you know, I don't even know what to say. I mean, it's just not even safe. And I'm kind of in a part of town right now that is very dangerous. And a lot of times people live down in these basements illegally. Look at all my gas pipes. Look at my cobwebs. I mean, it looks like Halloween in here. But anyway, look at this. I mean, gas, it's just there's just I want you to see this here real quick. I'm kind of going along here, but stone and mortar foundations, very common for this this age of home. But I hope you enjoyed our video. I hope you learned something, and if you ever need a great inspection, please call us, Galloway Building Services, GBS.